Thanks, Jim and Leslie Ann and Gretchen and all the folks here at CMR for putting this on, and welcome to everybody who's here. I think what you're going to hear today is a lot of great technology moving us forward. Think about the science and commercial opportunities that are opened up by those capabilities.
Successful companies that were in their nascent stages 5 years ago when we started at this meeting are now being acquired, and we're going to see another round of spin-outs out of that as the engineers who are part of those companies figure out, hey, I can do this too, and go out and start their companies. How do we help the entrepreneurial community and the innovators get their stuff from that back of the envelope into an operational system?